Welcome to Engineering, Technologies, and Design. My name is Kendra. I'm a senior here at the Medina County Career Center. My home school is Brunswick. And today, we're doing an example of an instant challenge. Instant challenges are basically like pop quizzes in this class. They help us with developing skills such as problem solving and working together as a group. This instant challenge is called the marble roll. Basically, what we do is we try to make a contraption with the supplies we are given to roll a marble down a ramp that we have made into these blue squares on the floor here. So this is a contraption I made with Ryan, and we'll demonstrate it here. The goal is to get it in one of the squares, but the smaller square is worth more points. So as you can see here, it worked, but to make it better, we would move it back to solve the problem to get it into the smaller square. And there we go. And in this class, we do like to have competitions, so we did have another group who made another contraption, and they will roll their marble down. So again, theirs went a little far, so they're moving theirs back. Problem solving. So Medina County Career Center isn't just about the programs, it's also about the academics here. So some of my classes that I take AP Calculus, Digital Electronics, which is a branch off of physics. I take Honors Language Arts and Psychology, and next semester I'll be taking Sociology. So it's just like a normal school here, but programs here are just a bonus, and it helps you with your career. Some of the colleges that I'm looking at to move forward in my career are Cleveland State, Kent State, and Akron to go forward in my engineering. I'm looking at mechanical right now. This lab definitely helped me pick which field I want to go into. I'll pass you over to Ryan. He's going to talk about what other things you could do while you're still at this school.
I'm still able to play soccer at the Medina High School. I've been playing for 3 years at the varsity level. Coming to this program has really helped me decide that I wanted to do mechanical engineering. Next, we'll show you the fabrication lab.
Hi, I'm Eddie. I'm a senior at MCCC, and I'm going to be showing you the robot that we have here. So this is the robot we have here at the engineering program. So Justin, if you want to run it real quick. So in engineering, we learn how to not only program it, but how to make sure it does the same thing every time, and even loop the programming so that we can end up with stuff where we have 3 boxes in a line like this. At MCCC, I'm still able to take my advanced classes such as AP Calc and AP Physics. I'm also still involved in Buckeye at my home school, National Honor Society, cross country, and wrestling. And now I'm going to be passing you on to Jacob, who's going to be showing you the laser engraver and laser cutter.
Hello, I'm Jacob. I'm from Medina High School. This is our laser engraver. So first thing that we start off is we take a software that helps us translate to the laser engraver. So all the red that you see is the cutting out process, and all the black is what is going to be laser engraved, which is, we have some examples on top of the laser engraver as well. The engineering program has helped me pick my engineering career, which is constructional engineering. I'm looking to pursue a 4-year degree at Akron University. Now I'd like to pass you off to Jessica. She's going to share a little bit about our robotics.
Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm from Highland, and I'm going to be talking about the robotics part of our curriculum. So we start off out here by building our clawbots out of Vex parts, and then we head into our computer lab onto the software to program our robots to do certain tasks, whether it's move a certain distance or pick up objects. And then from there, we can program them to run off of controllers. So here we have 2 of our clawbots from last year, both run off of the controllers. And then over there, they're building their own types of robots that they can end up programming to do a specific task or to run manually off of the controllers. So here at the Career Center, I'm taking AP Physics, AP Calc, and Psychology. Both my AP classes really help in the engineering lab because engineering is such a math and science heavy course. Also, I'm still involved at Highland with the rugby program, so having all my classes here, I still have something to go back to at Highland. And then after high school, right now I'm looking to apply to the University of Akron and Bowling Green for something engineering-wise. So now we're going to go over to Spencer, who's going to talk a little about the software that we use in our program.
So one of the programs that we have here for our junior year is our 2D AutoCAD program, which is a modeling program that you have to do. So the next program that we have is for our senior class, which is Revit, which is an architectural and design program. Now this program we just currently got done with a house, which we made an entire plumbing plan and electrical plan along with designing the interior and exterior. So our final program that we have here is Inventor, which is a 3D software which can go ahead and design anything that you want as long as you have the skill and the talent. Andrew, why don't you explain what your design is?
All right, so this is Inventor. One side, you get an ETD logo, and it's an optical illusion, so if you rotate it the other way, you get a 2. So that's one of the cool things we get to do in this class.
So actually, Andrew's design is being printed in our 3D labs, so we're gonna go ahead and check on it right now.
All right, let's go. So here we have the 3D model that we were working on in the lab that I showed you. So currently there's 20 minutes left, and as you can see, there's the orange supports. And those help the design not droop, and it makes it more detailed. That's just one of the cool things that we get to do in this class.
All right, thank you, Andrew.
Yep.
This is Engineering Technology Design, and I'm Anthony. I started early placement at a place called High Productions. I have an engineering internship there. So I go to my 3 academic classes, and then I get to leave and work there. So there I basically use some of the skills I got from this lab, like 3D modeling. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna head out to High Productions.
Thank you guys so much for visiting Engineering Technologies and Design, and we hope to see you guys here next year in this program.